Hello everyone, Hades here. Today we are going to look at in details Bitcoin analysis and one observation that I have done during this period of time that is really interesting. This is going to be part of the learning series that is offered from WhiteBIT crypto exchange, a very powerful broker, European broker with licenses in AML and KYC requirement. So all your funds are secured with them. So let's go with Bitcoin as the first one that we are going to look at. I'm going just to make a simple breakdown from the weekly chart, and you will see that the price is close to 786 Fib. For those that use the Fibonacci tools, everyone knows that 786 is a very strong area, and this is coming close to 600. So I'm going to delete it right now, and we are going to break it down on a lower time frame. Look at the price where it is stopped right now. There are two crucial points that I'm looking at, and the observation that I already did here. I have called this type of movements that we are looking at Harmonic Panic Movements here. It is very interesting, this observation, because on the first movement that we had, the first one was created from Luna, and the movement from Luna came down approximately 13,000 points down. So as you can see, all of this movement was cloned on the other part of the structure, and it comes a bit lower. It's not the problem where it comes. I have isolated this area as a strong confluence area, 18,000 and 20,000. There are two strong points that the price is stopped there. The first one is 786 Fib that I'm looking at, and the second one, 20,000, is a very strong psychological numbers. And on the other hand, we can see that the market is clearly not pushing below 20,000. And considering also that if I'm going to break it down also on a lower time frame, you will see that these movements are approximately the same. Many of you probably will not accept the name that I called it, Harmonic Panic Movements. It's not the problem with the name or what you may call harmonic movement, so because that is another topic. Everyone knows very well how the harmonic movements are. However, the point is that observation is crucial in trading, so we all need to observe how the markets develop. So this is not something small that we had the first crash and made this amount of points down, and we are looking at the same bearish movement that was created from Celsius, and it made the same bearish movement down. So this is very interesting, as I see, in my opinion. It's something that I just noticed. So this was we have the Luna collapse here when the price began, and on the other side we have the Celsius. Just one moment. And here we have Celsius. So both of these waves are very similar with each other. So now what I'm expecting actually, I'm not expecting that the price should move up immediately. So don't misunderstand this concept. This is very wrong. Before the price will change the direction, it will be needed some time. The price can make up and down, so it can spend weeks or probably also months after this panic that was created during this period of time, and after that we can see the price moving higher again. So this is only an area that I'm focused and I'm observing for a potential price reversal. So this is a very good scenario that I'm looking at, and I think it will be very useful with time. So we just need to see and collect data as long as the price develops. So this is our job as a technical analyst. On the other hand, I hope that we are not going to experience any other type of crash like these ones, like Luna and Celsius, because these are not related at all with the technical aspect in trading. These are just created from different market participants. So these are done with purpose, in my personal opinion. So let's go on with the other one. The other one that we are going to look at is Ethereum. On the daily chart, we can see this ABCD pattern that the price is developing. The way how the waves are related with each other is very strong, is very solid, so it's very beautiful how the price is actually reacting close to this area. I have shared this also on my public profile where you can find it. We don't have to agree with each other opinions. Everyone has different opinions. However, look at how the price is actually stopped at the area that I have pointed out. So we need to see, because this is a potential reversal area, the price should create a potential reversal. It is not a must that the price should move up from here. So what I'm going to look at is that 1000 is a very strong point where we can see for the price to move higher from here, because we are in front of a psychological number. Price also at this moment will spend some time before we will see the next probably bullish movement. However, we don't have to anticipate. Market is still in panic, is very high, to be honest, so we have just to be careful when we trade. But this is the potential reversal area where we can see for the price to change the direction. And 1000 that I have pointed out at the chart, on the chart here, is holding the price up very, very strong. So for the moment, I hope that we are not going to see any other panic movement. So like this one here that I placed on the chart. And the next one that I really like to share with you is Anchor, ANC. Look at what the price is actually creating. We can see that we had this harmonic pattern that was completed before. Look at the pattern here. Price came down and we are close to a strong support area that is coming from below part of the structure. So this is showing us that the price is actually facing support. We have a strong support close to the lower part of the structure. The price is actually holding the price up very good. So this is holding up very good here. All we need to do, we don't have to jump on the trade immediately. We have also this type of small pattern. I'm going to break it down on the hour time frame. I really like how the price is stopped here. And we have a triangle pattern. From this moment, sorry, this is a wedge pattern. From this moment we can see the price to move above, and after that it can move higher. So just focus on the breakout of the pattern here, and after that the price can continue to rise, or you can place a buy stop order close to the top of the structure. So hope you enjoyed this analysis. Don't forget to subscribe and press the like button for more future contents. Thank you. Bye bye.